Want to add your own voice to a Canva video project? Whether it's for YouTube, school, or social media, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to add a voiceover to a video in Canva step by step. Let's start. Let's get started. First of all, go to canva.com. Then log into your account. One on the home page. Click on video to create a new project or open an existing one. Choose the format you need, like YouTube video, or lead up your design. Now upload your video clips. Go to the left panel, then click uploads and upload your footage from your computer. Then drag it onto the timeline at the bottom. Make sure your video is trimmed, arranged, and ready for voice. You can split clips, change timing, or add animations now before recording your voice. Now let's add your voice over. There are two ways. Option 1, record directly in Canva, or upload a pre-recorded voice clip. For in-app recording, go to Uploads tab, click Record Yourself. A new window pop up. Just click allow this time or allow while visiting this site. Select audio only from here. Like it's in camera, it's camera and screen. From here, click audio, then click record yourself. Turn off camera. Then click the record button, speak your voice naturally, and when you are done, click save. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Then click done, then save and exit. Now drag onto your canvas. Wait a minute. Now play the video. It's added. You can adjust the logo from here, and your video is now clean and clear. If you have already recorded your voice, maybe in Audacity or your phone, upload it. Canva, like any other file, drag it in onto timeline. Just click upload. Now go to your file folder, then upload and drag it onto your canvas like this. Now sync your voiceover with the video clip, zoom in on the timeline and match the voice to the visuals. You can split, trim, or move the audio as needed. Use the audio waveform as a guide to see where sentences start and ends. You can adjust the volume, just select your audio clip, then go to volume button, then adjust the volume. Want soft music under your voice? Go to the music tab from your dashboard. Go to elements first, then audio. Choose a track and drag onto the timeline. Now decrease the volume and play it. That's good. I recommend setting it around 10% to 20% volume for background use like that. Preview your full video. If anything is off sync, adjust it. Once it sounds and look great, click share button from the upper right corner, then click download from here, then choose the format like MP4 video and hit download. Quick tips: use a quiet room for recording, use a microphone or headphone mic for better quality, speak clearly and pace up your script with visuals. That's how you add voiceover to a video in Canva. If this guide was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments your thoughts below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.